Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for products by uploading a picture of it to the google.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. And after that, go to this search bar that you can find in the middle of the screen and tap on this camera icon. Tap on this upload file in the middle of the screen, and then you should select a picture from your files. Tap on upload. And as you can see, the picture is being uploaded and analyzed. So in a few seconds, you will be able to check out the results. So you can see the items that are similar to the one that you have uploaded and it has been scanned. You can also search by the text itself that it contains in this respect, and you can also translate it. So here you can see the source language and the target language. So here you can find it translated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.